Ladies and gentlemen, how amazing is the feeling when you can secure your boat, caravan in your property. With number 58 Naracoorte Drive, Caroline Spring, not just a quality, modern kitchen and spacious 4-bedroom with outdoor, your family's requirements are gonna be ticked. Come and check this beautiful home. Upon entrance, a massive formal lounge or work from home.
Even if the cooking skills aren't the best, the food will taste ultra delicious in this stunning kitchen. What do you think, Raj?
You're getting there, Prem. Sun-kissed oversized bedrooms, the morning are going to be beautiful. Ready to go?
Karen and Cody, let's go to Queensland.
With this beautiful veggie garden, large alfresco workshop, your family outdoor entertainment is never going to be boring. This is Raj Bakshi with Prem Walia from Area Specialists. Looking forward to meet you and your family at the next open home. Thank you.